I'm in a 2018 Ford Edge, and today I'm going to show you to use your front and rear defrost. So this would be for your front defrost, this is your rear defrost, and then there's some settings also with this symbol where you can see have it blow on your feet while also having it blow up on the front glass. So let's say we want this one here. Now the fan settings are controlling this. So it's now blowing air up here, and then you can adjust it whether you want it hotter or colder with your temperature settings. And you still may want the AC on even if you have it blowing hot, just because that AC can pull moisture out of the air, which should keep your glass from fogging up. And when you're done with this, you can turn the fans completely down or just push this again to turn that off. And then for the rear, if you can see in the camera, maybe you can't, but there's some black lines running through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So while this is activated, it turns those on, which will start melting any ice that might be building up. And then same thing when you're done with this, just click it off again. And if these aren't working at all, first thing I would check are fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could cause this to not be operable. If that's not fixing the problem, you might need to check behind this plastic, make sure all the button connections are tight and don't need replaced. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.